Beyoncé Knowles, often referred to simply as Beyoncé, is a global icon and immensely talented singer, songwriter, and performer whose influence transcends boundaries. Her rise to stardom began in childhood and has since propelled her into a realm of immense success and influence. In this video we will delve into the extraordinary journey and life of Beyoncé, exploring her early beginnings, the evolution of her career, her influential relationships, and her iconic songs that have touched the hearts of millions worldwide. Childhood and early beginnings. September 4, 1981, in Houston, Texas, Beyoncé Giselle Knowles showed exceptional talent and passion for music from an early age. She began honing her skills in performing arts at St. Mary's Elementary School, where her immense vocal range and stage presence became evident. Recognizing her potential, her parents, Matthew and Tina Knowles, nurtured her talent and supported her dreams of becoming a singer. Career progression. Destiny's Child, a girl group formed in the 1990s, marked the initial breakthrough for Beyoncé. Alongside Kelly Rowland and Michelle Williams, the trio achieved immense success with hit singles like No, No, No and Say My Name. The group's empowering anthems and infectious pop sound captivated audiences globally. However, Beyoncé's solo career truly took flight in 2003 with the release of her debut album, Dangerously in Love. The album's lead single, Crazy in Love, featuring Jay-Z, topped charts worldwide, establishing her as a force to be reckoned with. Since then, Beyoncé's solo career has been an unparalleled journey of success. She has released critically acclaimed albums such as Birthday, I Am, Sasha Fierce, and Lemonade, each showcasing her versatility as an artist. Her music seamlessly blends genres like R&B, pop, hip-hop, and soul, elevating her status as a visionary and boundary-breaking artist. Beyoncé's powerful performances, backed by her exceptional vocals and captivating stage presence, have made her one of the greatest live performers of our time. In addition to her solo success, Beyoncé has also ventured into acting, appearing in films like Dreamgirls and The Lion King. These roles allowed her to showcase her versatility as an entertainer, earning critical acclaim and expanding her global reach. Empowering message and philanthropy. Beyoncé's music is renowned for its empowering messages, inspiring listeners to embrace their individuality, resilience, and strength. From anthems like Run the World, Girls, to Formation, she consistently promotes themes of self-confidence, female empowerment, and social justice. Through her philanthropic efforts, Beyoncé has made a significant impact on various charitable causes. She co-founded the Survivor Foundation, which provided housing and resources to Hurricane Katrina survivors, and has actively supported initiatives focused on education, disaster relief, and youth empowerment. In 2016, Beyoncé launched the Formation Scholars Program, offering scholarships to young women pursuing studies in creative arts, music, literature, or African American studies. This initiative aims to support and uplift the next generation of talented individuals. Beyoncé's involvement in the Chime for Change campaign highlights her commitment to gender equality and women's empowerment. The campaign raises funds and awareness for projects focused on education, health, and justice for women around the world. Recognizing the power of education, Beyoncé established the Bay Good Initiative, which provides scholarships, school supplies, and educational resources to underprivileged students. Through partnerships with organizations like UNICEF and local community programs, she continues to make a positive difference in the lives of young people. Beyoncé's visual album Lemonade not only showcased her artistic prowess but also touched on themes of forgiveness, resilience, and Black empowerment. The project was not just a personal journey but also served as a powerful statement on societal issues and the strength of women. In the wake of natural disasters such as Hurricane Harvey, Beyoncé demonstrated her commitment to her hometown of Houston by establishing the Bay Good Houston Initiative. This program provided immediate aid, support, and resources to those affected by the disaster. Through her music, performances, and public appearances, Beyoncé consistently advocates for racial justice and equality. She uses her platform to raise awareness about systemic issues, encouraging her audience to take action and be agents of change. Beyoncé's participation in events like the Global Citizen Festival and the Women's March further solidifies her commitment to social causes and her desire to inspire others to create positive change. By actively promoting messages of self-love, unity, and empowerment, Beyoncé continues to be an influential figure in encouraging individuals to embrace their unique qualities, fight for social justice, and make a difference in the world around them. Her philanthropic endeavors serve as a testament to her genuine desire to uplift and support communities in need. Influential relationships. One of the most significant relationships in Beyoncé's career was her affiliation with the all-female group Destiny's Child. Formed in the early 1990s, the group, consisting of Beyoncé, Kelly Rowland, and Michelle Williams, achieved immense success with chart-topping hits and became one of the best-selling girl groups of all time. Beyoncé's romantic relationship with rapper and entrepreneur Jay-Z has been a major influence on her personal and professional life. The power couple tied the knot in 2008 and has since collaborated on numerous projects, including the joint album Everything Is Love and their highly successful On the Run tour. As Beyoncé's younger sister, Solange Knowles has been a source of inspiration and support throughout their lives. Both talented artists in their own right, their bond is evident in collaborations such as Solange's album A Seat at the Table and their joint appearance at Coachella in 2018. Beyoncé performed at President Obama's inauguration in 2009 and has publicly expressed admiration for Michelle's advocacy work. Beyoncé and Jay-Z's eldest daughter, Blue Ivy Carter, holds a special place in her mother's life and career. Beyoncé's journey through motherhood has been reflected in her music, with Blue Ivy even featuring on her song Blue, showcasing the deep connection between mother and daughter. Beyoncé's relationships with her Destiny's Child bandmates, Kelly Rowland and Michelle Williams, have remained strong over the years. Despite their temporary disbandment, they have reunited for special performances and support each other's individual endeavors. Beyoncé's relationship with her devoted fan base, known as the Beyhive, has been instrumental in her success. The unwavering support and connection she shares with her fans have made her performances and releases highly anticipated events, solidifying her status as a cultural icon. In conclusion, the Beyoncé's journey from a talented child in Houston to a global superstar and influential icon is an inspiring tale of perseverance, artistic growth, and empowerment. With her immense talent, captivating performances, and philanthropic endeavors, she has become a symbol of female empowerment, racial pride, and artistic excellence. Beyoncé's impact extends far beyond the music industry, leaving an indelible mark on popular culture and society as a whole. Her career is a testament to the power of self-belief, hard work, and the unwavering pursuit of one's dreams. As the world continues to be inspired by her music and activism, Beyoncé's legacy will undoubtedly stand the test of time, serving as a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.